Folks, we're collecting more health data than ever, yet most of us still wake up wondering whether we actually slept well or recovered properly. But what if one small ring could turn all those confusing numbers into something truly useful? I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today, we are looking at the Oura 5, a smaller, smarter ring designed to make all-day and all-night health tracking feel natural. We'll cover comfort, health insights, and the app experience. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open it up. Alright, my friends, let's start with what you get out of the box. Inside, you'll find the Oura 5 in the stealth finish, a size-specific standard charger, and a USB-C cable. No fuss, just the basics. The stealth version has an understated matte finish that makes it look more like high-end jewelry than a gadget. It's also made from seamless titanium, both inside and out. The ring is only 6 mm wide and a little over 2 mm thick. It weighs as little as 2 grams, depending on the size. The brand says this 5th generation model is 40% smaller than the previous one, and that matters because it's designed for continuous wear, day and night. But guys, getting the right size is crucial. Oura uses its own sizing kit and recommends wearing a sample ring for at least 24 hours, including while you sleep. A secure but comfortable fit affects both overnight use and how reliably the sensors communicate with your finger. From my experience, the ring feels much less intrusive than many other wearables. Even when I work out or take a shower, it doesn't bother me at all. Still, finding the right fit and getting used to constant wear may take a little time. Now, let's see what those tiny sensors can actually do. Okay guys, the sensors only matter if they help you understand your health, instead of leaving you to stare at graphs all day. The Oura 5 aims to turn the data into practical insights. It tracks more than 50 health metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen, and HRV. I was pleasantly surprised when I realized it also shows recovery trends and even my stress resilience. But the real value is how the app organizes everything around all those parameters. The technology inside is actually pretty clever. Here's how the sensors work. Red and infrared LEDs measure blood oxygen saturation. The green sensors handle heart and breathing rate and heart rate variability. There's also a digital temperature sensor for body temperature trends, along with an accelerometer for movement and activity. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Alright, let's get back. My friends, usefulness is the real test. You want to wake up, open the app, and quickly understand the basics about your health. And honestly, the device does the job. Sleep and recovery are where this ring looks really solid. Instead of focusing too much on one rough night, the Oura app helps you spot patterns. You can see whether things are steadily improving, slipping, or staying the same. Oura says its sensors have been tested against clinical results and that your finger provides a stronger pulse signal than your wrist. Those claims are not a medical promise, but they're worth noting. The next advantage is that the app uses personalized trends, insights, and the new AI health advisor to make sense of the raw numbers. But folks, to get the full app experience, including deeper insights and the AI health advisor, you need an active Oura membership. Alright folks, let's look at day-to-day life with this device. First up, the battery lasts between 6 and 9 days. This is a big advantage if you have ever had to charge a wearable right before going to sleep. However, the real-life result may depend on your settings, enabled features, and how you use it. According to most reviews, that's about 1 day better than the Model 4. A full charge can take up to 80 minutes. That's not much, guys, but with the Oura 5 charging case, which is sold separately, 10 minutes of charging can provide up to a full day of battery life. Another major plus is water resistance. The ring is rated for depths up to 100 meters and carries an IP68 rating, so you can wear it in the shower, while swimming, or even while snorkeling. Oura doesn't recommend scuba diving or keeping it underwater for more than 12 hours. But for ordinary daily use, it's built to stay on your finger. That supports its main promise. This is a wearable you rarely need to remove or think about. Mates, the device works with both iOS and Android. It connects through Bluetooth and receives automatic firmware updates. But what I personally like is that it supports more than 100 third-party app integrations. So the daily routine is simple. Put it on, wear it through everything, and sync it with your phone. Then you can check your insights and only think about charging the ring roughly once a week. In my opinion, it makes the most sense for people who want health data collected quietly in the background and prefer to review it on their own terms. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up. The Oura Ring 5 is a slim and durable health tracker that feels less intrusive than many traditional wearables. Its strongest points are the comfortable titanium design, detailed tracking, and fairly broad health insights. But there are a few things you need to pay attention to. First, getting the size right is crucial, so don't rush when you buy it, and keep in mind that the best features require an Oura membership. Overall, the buying decision comes down to whether a smaller, screen-free wearable would help you stay consistent with health tracking. If you are comfortable using the app as the main screen for your health data, this may be a good fit. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time!